Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cool, a laptop and a mobile phone.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and paper and let's start creating. Let's begin by drawing a big rectangle for the monitor. Inside this rectangle, draw another smaller one. This is the screen of the laptop. Now, under the monitor, draw a wide rectangle for the keyboard area. To make it look 3D, add another rectangle beneath it for the base. Inside the keyboard area, draw a smaller rectangle. Then divide this rectangle into 24 parts by drawing vertical and horizontal lines. This is our keyboard. Let's make the monitor extra fun. Draw a big heart shape right in the middle of the screen. Now, let's draw a tall rectangle for the mobile phone. Inside it, draw another smaller rectangle for the screen. At the top and bottom of the phone screen, draw two small rounded shapes for the speaker and home button. Don't forget to add two side buttons on the phone. Inside the phone screen, draw 12 small circles in rows. Inside each circle, write the numbers from 1 to 9, then add 0, asterisk, and hashtag. Your laptop and mobile phone look amazing. Now let's make them pop by going over all the lines with a black marker. This will make your artwork bold and sharp. Isn't it looking awesome?
Yay!
It's time to bring your gadgets to life with colors. Let's use rainbow colors for this. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Pink color.
Yay!
Wow, it's looking fantastic! You did it! Your colorful laptop and mobile phone look amazing! Great job, everyone! Don't forget to share your artwork with your friends and family. Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time for more fun art projects. Bye, friends! See you soon! Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you in the next video.